Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use rewards on Dunkin app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To use your Dunkin rewards on the Dunkin app, first what you need to do is head over and open up your Dunkin app, and then be sure to be logged into your Dunkin rewards account as well. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the rewards option right here, or reward points, and then you will see your current points balance at the top. 10 points is equal to $1 for most menu items. Then what you need to do is browse available rewards. Tap on redeem or scroll to rewards section to see available items you can redeem with your points. Then you can redeem your points for free beverages, free donuts or food items, and exclusive offers like discounts or bonus rewards. Then you can also apply your rewards to an order by simply heading over back and then selecting an item or from the menu, and here tap on start order, and then you'll see the points deducted from your total and the reward will be applied automatically. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.